Hi everyone. I just want to do a little screencast video to make sure that there's no confusion in how to go about using the template to complete your three-part narrative essay. You're going to be using templates throughout this course, and I want to make sure you really are following these instructions exactly. It will ensure that your formatting is always exactly correct. So you'll see in front of you on the screen, you have the narrative essay three-part template. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to download it, and then you'll open it, enable editing, and then save it, file, save as, and then browse and save it to your computer wherever you want to as your name. So I'm going to do Krista Zobel, narrative essay, save. So now I have the document here. And the very first thing that you're going to want to do to set it up before you start writing is double click in the header, and then you can type your last name right in front of the page number. Then hit close header and footer. And now you're going to see that all of your headers will have your last name and your page number in the top right corner, just like they belong. So then you'll change this name to your name. And then we have, my name will stay the same. It's English Comp, and then the date. So today's date is December 31st. And then you'll see that the template itself is set up so that it has some instructions right in it. So it will say here that you're going to use this template to guide you in writing your essay. Delete my instructions as you replace the text with your own words. Do not change the formatting, just replace each paragraph one by one with your own writing. And you're going to submit it one section at a time, but use this same document. Do not start a new document for each section. So for example, when I'm ready to submit the first section, I'm going to get rid of that. Three-part narrative essay title, you can call it whatever you want. I call it 3 Threes About Me. And then the instructions are right here. You're going to write an introduction to the essay as a whole, and then you're going to replace these with, your own titles, whatever you want to do for that. And then it's going to be 5 paragraphs per segment. Now, you're going to be submitting them one at a time. So when you finish the 3 words that describe me section and you hit this bold heading 3 stories, you're going to stop right there and you're going to submit this document into Canvas. And then when you're ready to begin the next setting, you can say, 3 stories. That's and then you'll write the next 5 paragraphs, save your changes, submit it again. And then when you write your third segment, just add to this document 3 people who influenced me and write your conclusion and then submit this same document again. I very, very often have students that want to delete the parts of the template, segments 2 and 3 when they submit segment 1, but I really don't want you to do that. I want you to just keep building this same essay in this one document and do not save multiple versions of it. That creates a lot of confusion. Just keep working in this one template, adding to it segment by segment, and so you're going to upload this same document 3 different times as you add to the paper. Make sure that you email me if you have any questions, but I think that as long as you follow those instructions very specifically, you won't run into any issues. I look forward to reading your work.